welcome back, or hello, welcome. I've been tasked in removing these tiles. They want coming off, but they don't want damaging. They want to be kept. So this wall, it's a kitchen paint, which is going to be moisture resistant, grease proof. The tiles have been stuck on with liquid no nails, which is quite a tough adhesive when it dries, very brittle, very hard. Also, those tiles, I'm not so sure if they've been fired. I don't think the ceramic tile. I think possibly they're just a plaster poured into a silicone mould and then hand painted. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this blade to try and get behind it and remove them. Now, two things that are going to happen. Either the tiles are going to break, or I'll get some paint off because the adhesive is stuck onto the paint. So I don't think I'll have any trouble with the plaster. It'll just be paint coming off or them things breaking. This blade, I need to try and get behind the adhesive because there's no chance I'll be able to cut through it. It's that tough. So we'll have a go, see what happens. Got a bit closer. First one is always the worst. So as careful as I can. There are a few ways of getting this off, but I'm not going to chance any of the others yet. Just want to see if this works. So make sure I've got something down below, just in case I drop it. So, quite easy. So again, took the paint, bonded to the surface. Careful not to cut myself. I don't really want to surprise these. He says. Left some adhesive on. That took a bit of plaster off. Only slight. I think what I might try is just rotating it. I just don't want it to go to dust. No. Remember just to have something down there. Try twisting it again. That's going a lot easier. Not bad. Twist again. That's coming a bit easier. I mean, I did consider a block of wood and just striking the wood, but again, I don't know what they're made of. So, I'm going to twist. Easy. And twist again. That's okay. So I might clean them up, but off and not damaged. I'll just scrape away the rest of this adhesive. I'll give these a light sand and I'll give it a coat of paint. That'll be alright. They'll clean up quite easy. Luckily they had double-sided sticky tab on it. You can see the adhesive on that side. So yeah, they'll peel off, they'll clean up. What I need to do is get that filled. Make sure nothing is loose. No adhesive left. Got some fine sandpaper on a block. 180, 240, something like that. And just rub over these. After that light sand, it may be quite dusty, so we'll give it a wipe down with a damp cloth. That'll remove the dust. Now we're ready for mixing some filler. I'll show you a neat little trick before we put it on there. When I'm mixing this filler up, not adding too much water, just want all that powder to disappear. Okay, so we got a sort of paste there. Now for the neat trick. So, taking the paint that you're using, in this case, this is a kitchen and bathroom paint. So again, it'll be moisture resistant and grease resistant, just easier to clean. And we'll add some to it. This is Valspar paint, this. Cool Pendant is the colour. We'll just mix this up now. So adding the paint to the filler at this stage just means you don't have to prime the filler when it's dry before you paint. Which you may think is not a problem anyway, but if you've a lot of filling to do, you go around using this, then it just means that you won't have to run round again spot priming all these areas. You may miss some. Get some in. Got quite a wide filling knife here. We'll just proceed to fill these up. I'll leave these to dry and I'll clean some of those tiles off. Once got it started, it's not too bad. That filler should be dry by the time I finish them. What will help it dry is dehumidifier or fan, but that is only literally a millimetre thick. That won't take long. Turn the fan off. Dry already. Well, that's okay, that's nice and smooth, that. So again, quick wipe over with the damp cloth. That's it. Now I can paint over this without having a problem of the paint cracking or peeling on these spots or flashing. It wouldn't matter anyway, because this is a change of colour. So I'd have to put 2 coats on the walls anyway. As soon as it's dry, on with another coat. Well, there you go. No need to prime. And then obviously saves you having to run around like a squirrel trying to find out where you've done all your filling. You can just come along and paint, put the paint in first. Much easier and quicker doing it that way rather than running around like a squirrel. So don't be a squirrel. Until next time, see you again.